For over 4.5 billion years, the sun has fueled life across our planet. Its warmth nurtures oceans, drives weather, and sustains every living creature on Earth. But like all stars, the sun's time is not eternal. It too will one day die. Scientists estimate that the sun is roughly halfway through its 10 billion year main sequence lifetime. That means we still have about 5 billion years before its true transformation begins. As the sun ages, it gradually grows hotter and brighter, subtly altering Earth's delicate balance. Over the next billion years, this increasing brightness will begin to evaporate our oceans. Rising temperatures will trigger massive climate shifts, making Earth increasingly hostile to life. Water vapor, a greenhouse gas, will trap more heat and accelerate the planet's demise. Eventually, Earth will resemble a scorched desert world, stripped of its oceans and atmosphere. Plants will wither, oxygen will vanish, and complex life will no longer be possible. But the sun's story doesn't end there. It will enter its most dramatic phase yet. Once the hydrogen in its core runs out, nuclear fusion will shift to outer layers. The sun's core will collapse inward, while its outer layers expand outward dramatically. It will swell into a massive red giant, engulfing Mercury and Venus entirely. The Earth's fate during this stage remains uncertain, balanced on a cosmic knife's edge. Some models suggest the sun's expanding outer shell could consume our planet completely. Others predict Earth might barely survive, orbiting a swollen red star in searing heat. Even if not engulfed, Earth's surface will be melted into a glowing ocean of magma. The skies will burn crimson and the air will shimmer with unbearable radiation. Any remnants of human civilization will long have turned to dust and memory. Eventually, the sun will shed its outer layers into space, forming a glowing nebula. The vibrant gases will expand outward, painting the cosmos with brilliant, colorful clouds. At the center, the sun's collapsed core will remain, a white dwarf star of pure carbon. This white dwarf will be no larger than Earth, but unimaginably dense and radiant. It will no longer produce energy through fusion, only glowing faintly from stored heat. Over billions of years, that glow will fade, leaving behind a cold, dark remnant. By then, Earth, if it survives, will orbit a dead star in eternal twilight. The planet's surface will be frozen, atmosphere gone, and oceans long evaporated. Our once blue world will drift silently through the cosmic graveyard of its dying star. Yet from this death, new beginnings will emerge across the galaxy's endless cycles. The sun's expelled elements, carbon, oxygen, and iron, will seed the birth of new stars. Those stars may form new solar systems, with planets rich in the building blocks of life. In that way, the death of our sun contributes to the universe's grand renewal. Every atom in our bodies was once forged inside an ancient, dying star like it. So, when our sun's time finally ends, it will pass its legacy to the cosmos. Future civilizations, if they exist elsewhere, may study our sun's remains from distant worlds. They might discover fragments of Earth drifting among the nebula's faintly glowing dust. The memory of our world will survive in starlight, carried across space and time. Even in death, the sun will continue shaping the universe in mysterious, unseen ways. Humanity, if it endures, will likely leave Earth long before that final fiery chapter. Future generations may find refuge around younger stars or artificial suns of their creation. They will look back at the sun as the cradle that once gave them life. Its light will be remembered not as destruction, but as the source of existence. The sun's death, though inevitable, is part of a cycle that defines the universe. From creation to collapse, every star follows this ancient rhythm of life and rebirth. Earth's story is written in starlight, born from one star and fated to another. When the sun dies, it will not be the end, but the beginning of change. The universe will continue to evolve, recycling light, matter, and the memory of existence. And long after we're gone, the echo of our sun will still shine among the stars.